the mini electric screwdriver. We have ourselves a little user manual. Also comes with this magnetic mat. Here we have inside of it here. So this is the electric screwdriver right here. Comes with a charging cord here. Comes with this metal pry tool. Also comes with this magnetizer, demagnetizer tool. Comes with a manual screwdriver as well. Comes with these 3 operating picks. Comes with 3 plastic pry tools. Then it comes with 40 precision bits here. There's 40 different kinds. There's 40 different kinds of bits here. Got star, all types of locking, regular. As you can see here, they've got 40 different kinds here to screw or unscrew, many different types of little bolts, little screws. All right, so this right here, this at top right here is a magnetic bit holder. So it holds the bit in. And then this button here is to tighten. This is to loosen. And then this one right here, LED light. We are gonna do some unscrewing here. All right, there we go. Got that screw out. I was also able to magnetize this little screw to pull it out easier. And you put it back in. It's a very good electric screwdriver. Makes screwdriving very easy. Here's also the manual screwdriver.